Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another Wegovy update. All right, so this is my week 5. It is March, I think it's 19th, right? I don't know. All right, so before we even get into this video, child, I recorded this video, and guess what? The mic was not on. So you're going to see her in the background just talking to herself. So this is why I am doing the overview. For those who not know what Wegovy is, here's a snapshot of what it is, and also to let you know really quick that this is a prescription medication that you have to insert yourself once a week. However, you can only get this through your doctor. Everyone's copay is going to be different. Please make sure you are getting your information from your doctor, because this is only for doctor. I'm just sharing my experience, and I am not sponsored whatsoever. Last week I was 184.4. Today I am 183.0 with a 1.4 weight loss for this week. If this is your first time watching my channel, please make sure you review last week and just take a look at my playlist, because it will catch you up on my updates and whatnot. But I can say that this being my second month, girl, like, I really can see a difference in my body. So I want to show you these pictures of, well, this picture, what I look like and what I look like from day 1. So body dysmorphia is a thing. I don't want to say that I truly have it, but I do notice that when I was looking in the mirror, I didn't show the clip of my full backside, but I can see where the pockets of fat was sitting at in my hamstrings. So that lets me know where some areas that I do need to work on. And I feel like everyone has areas that they would like to work on. You cannot spot reduce, because I do lift weights. So this week I did decided again to not work out with any weights. So that means that I did 2 full weeks of not lifting weights at all. So tomorrow on the 20th, I will start lifting weights again. But I have been lifting weights since January. So I believe it was a good idea for me to just give myself a 2-week break and then now get back on force. Hopefully I haven't said this already, but being on the 0.5 milligrams, I will say that this one is a big difference, because I have not had a huge appetite. I probably already said that I did play around the first month. However, this month I was just not in the mood to play around, and my appetite has decreased even more. I don't like to snack on a whole lot of stuff, but I will say that me eating a lot of sweets has decreased. I noticed that in week 5 I made a lot of low carb pizzas, because that's what I really wanted to have for dinner. And I just snack on a bunch of pepperonis. Like, if I want something real quick, I snacked on a lot of grapes. And I did have my Girl Scout cookies. I had to have at least 4 of those, but I didn't have it every day. And I also had the Ferrero Rocher dark chocolate. That's something that I like to have. So it's okay to have some of these foods in moderation. But however, I'm just not going to make that big mistake like I did in the first month, which is constantly just snack, and then and not really having a good significant weight loss, or just not being satisfied. So hopefully that makes sense. But girl, let's be real. We just need to do better, and I know I need to do better. But for those who are on Wegovy, please let me know your experience. Have you had any updates or any changes? I know some of us ladies were around the same first month, but now hopefully you are on your second month. Tell me your experience down in the comment section below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what else you would like to see regarding the Wegovy. If you are here for Wegovy, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I know a lot of you guys have been here from the beginning when I was trying my weight loss and it was up and down. Some have been here for my hair journey, my hair relax journey. So regardless of whatever it is that you decided to join my channel, honey, I thank you and I appreciate you. So make sure you again subscribe to the channel, and I thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you next week. Keep your post notifications on, because girl, I'll be dropping videos every Sunday and a couple of videos throughout the week. Thank you so much again. Goodbye, gorgeous.